And this is something called the Russian Federal Law number 30. And this is for citizens of Russia only, where it allows you to harvest timber for your own purposes, in this case building a house. This is only for citizens of the Russian Federation, but if your partner happens to be a Russian citizen, then that partner can get you that free timber. And there is no other countries that I know of that allow their citizens free timber for their own purposes, i.e. building a house, and you can also use some of it for heating a house if you're on wood heating. So in this video, this is exactly what I'm going to explain to you today: how to get a hold of it, the procedure for getting a hold of it, and is it cost effective if you're going to do it. So let's proceed in the video.
Статья 30 Лесного кодекса РФ. Заготовка гражданами древесины для собственных нужд. Первое. Граждане вправе заготавливать древесину для целей отопления, возведения строений и иных собственных нужд.
Article 30 of the Russian Federation says this: procurement of timber by citizens for their own needs. Citizens have the right to procure timber for heating purposes, construction of buildings and other personal needs. And now we're going to go through how you can actually get this timber.
There's obviously a lot more to this law than what we've read here, but for our purposes all we need to know is that we can get it and how we can get it. The way we can get it is this. First of all, there are certain requirements. You need to be registered in the area that you're going to get the timber. So if you're in St. Petersburg, you need to be in St. Petersburg, and there may be districts within St. Petersburg that you have to be registered before you can get it. Secondly, you have to have a plot of land, an uchastak that belongs to you, it's in your name.
The other thing is the law says that you are not allowed to sell or give away or transfer the timber to anybody else. So the amount of timber allocated per citizen is 150 cubic meters of round timber, the stuff that's just been cut. Now 150 cubic meters is a heck of a lot. For the average house you're using plus or minus about 40 cubic meters. So if you're going to get it cut yourself, whatever, then you advise to take only the amount that you need. Don't take the 150 cubic meters and then have it laying on your land, not being able to do anything with it, because you're going to get yourself into fines and all kinds of things if they catch you selling it. So for my purpose, I only took 50 cubic meters. My house takes 38, plus or minus. Once you've cut it, you'll lose a bit. That's about 20% in cutting.